Everyone, Fred here. Little video here on a project I'd like to do. Got the crazy idea of maybe moving the wood that I carry inside one of the compartments on the RV to one of these cargo carriers. I wanted to get the wood outside of it. We've got ants around here and other bugs that tend to get in the wood, and I thought, man, if I put the wood inside and it's got ants in it, we're going to get ants in the camper. Shopped around and found Harbor Freight has the cargo carriers. They were like 50 bucks. Saw some reviews online where some of the other RVers and campers are using these to haul things on, and thought, man, might be a good buy. So I went out to Harbor Freight today, picked one up. We'll give it a shot. This is the steel model. They also make an aluminum. I thought the steel would be a little more heavy duty. With that, the hitch on the back of that camper or motorhome, I mean, I'm not worried about weight. So, picked that up today. Also picked up a hitch extender that adds a secondary hitch. So I can put the cargo carrier on the bottom and yet still be able to put the bike rack above it. We'll get the unboxing and I'll put it all together and we'll see how it looks on the back of the good old bounder. Alright, so we finished off our little project here, putting together the cargo carrier and the splitter hitch, the added hitch, and I gotta say I'm pretty impressed. Quality is great, very heavy duty, very heavy steel. I'm very confident that what I'm going to be hauling back here is not going to be an issue. Cargo carrier did come with a pin that was supplied. The splitter did not. Luckily, I have a spare pin. So if you get the extender splitter, just make a note while you're at Harbor Freight. Get yourself a pin while you're there if you need one. But the bike rack sits wonderfully on top. One thing to note is how far it comes out. You're going to lose part of your cargo carrier because of the bike rack. I don't see any way around that. Not really an issue. I'm going to primarily use this for wood, so I can stack wood on both sides. I can even put them inside of the totes and fasten them down. One thing I did want to carry back here was our Barker tote to dump the tanks, and it looks like I won't be able to do that back here. If I do, I'm going to have to put the bikes inside for travel. And there's only one place I know of right now where I need the tote and would still like to be able to take the bikes. So that's something to think about. I still might be able to put the tote back here and just strap it down differently. So something to look at, but very pleased with what I have here. I think I spent 90 bucks for the two and couldn't be happier. Anyway, another project in the books. Thanks for watching.